Are you using Microsoft Word every day for your job or school project? Then this video is for you. I have 4 powerful shortcuts to save you time and to boost your productivity. Let's find out. First up, we have the Format Painter. This tool lets you copy formatting from one section of text and apply it to another effortlessly. So as you can see on my screen, I want to copy the formatting from the first paragraph to the second paragraph. Simply select the text that you want to copy the formatting from, press Command, Shift and C, and then highlight the text where you want to apply it, and then press Command, Shift and V, just like that. Next, let's explore how to navigate your document with ease using bookmarks. So I'm still using the same document, and to create bookmark, you can just highlight the text that you want to bookmark and then press Command, Shift and F5. Now I want to name my bookmark as Bookmark 1 and then click Add. So if you're working on a lengthy document and you want to jump back to a specific point in your document, just click Command, Shift and F5 again, and then select your bookmark and click Go To. As you can see, it will highlight the point that you want to go to. And have you ever want to paste text without messing up your document's formatting? Here's how. So I want to copy a text from Wikipedia with different formatting, and without messing up your document, when you're pasting text from other source, use Command, Shift, Option and V to paste it as plain text. Finally, let's look at how to quickly select all instances of text with similar formatting. First, highlight the piece of text with the format that you want to match. Then press Command, Option, Shift, S to select all text in this document that share this format. Thank you for watching iTel's tips and tricks on mastering Microsoft Word. We hope these shortcuts help you work smarter and faster. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more productivity boosting tutorials from iTel.